Windows.old is a folder created when you upgrade from one version of Windows to another. It contains all files and data from your previous Windows installation. You can use it to restore your system to old version of Windows. This folder can take up about 20 GB or more of your system drive. To delete the folder in an easy way, use Windows Disk Cleanup tool. To do that, go to search box in your taskbar, type Disk Cleanup and then launch Disk Cleanup. Click the option Clean up System Files. You will see an option for previous Windows installations appear in the list of things you can delete, and also how much space those files are taking up. Select that option and use Disk Cleanup to wipe previous Windows system files away. This may take some time. Coffee break. Note that deleting your previous version of Windows cannot be undone. You can also use this tool to delete other unnecessary files taking up space on your system drive. Hope this video will help you, and bye.